So right here I'm cutting two 1x10s at 28.5 inches wide. The actual dimensions are 28 inches, but I'm giving it a half inch so I can trim it off after I'm done. Right here I'm trimming down the edges so I can get a tight fit when I glue and screw the backing together. I'm cutting the pieces for the book box, two at the width of the backing and the other two at 13 inches. I initially cut the side pieces at 13 inches, but I'm trimming them down to 11 to make sure that I have enough room at the bottom for the coat hanger hooks. Here's a little clip of everybody's favorite part of woodworking. I'm trimming down the left, right, and bottom pieces to give the top an inch hangover in the front. When screwing the pieces together, make sure you put a healthy amount of glue so they bond correctly. I'd also like to mention I'm using Tide Bond 2 glue because I'm using it for indoors. While we wait for the backing to dry, here's a clip of Sully munching out. I'm giving the top piece a 1/4 inch round over on the left, right, and front piece. The back side doesn't need it because it's going to be facing the wall. I'm using an 18 gauge brad nailer with 1 1/4 inch nails to nail the book box together. I'm sanding everything down from 80 to 120 to 220 to give it that real nice finish. The mulberry trees keep on producing, so I gathered a few berries to give them a nice little snack. I'm putting a couple of holes in the back with a keyhole bit so I can hang it on the wall when I'm done. I wanted to use a preconditioner before I stained it, but I didn't have any at the moment, so I went ahead and did it anyway, but it turned out pretty well. Make sure when you're clamping all the joints to wipe off all of your glue because the glue will not take your stain. I finished it off with 3 hooks. The ones on the side, 4 inches from the left and right, and the one in the middle was centered. I finished it off by nailing and gluing support pieces underneath the bookshelf. So here's the finished product. I had a few mistakes here and there, but overall I think I did pretty well. If you liked my video, please throw me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll have many more coming. Thanks for watching.